auntie here. So 15 years. Left here, right here. Does he believe he can get healed today?
Yes, yes, Jesus.
How do you know?
Yes, Jesus, I know him.
Command this ear to open now.
මම අණ කරන මේ කනට විවෘත වෙන දැන්.
Now in Jesus' name.
දැන් යේසුස් වහන්සේගේ නාමයෙන්.
Hearing be restored.
ආශිර්වාද.
Left ear be opened up.
වම් කන දැන් විවෘත වෙන්න.
Now.
දැන්
By the authority of God.
දෙවියන් වහන්සේගේ
I
ආධිපත්‍යයෙන්
command that left ear to open.
ඒ වම් කනට විවෘත වෙන්න මම අණ කරනවා.
To a degree that it requires no hearing aid.
ඒකට ශ්‍රවණ උපකරණයක් අවශ්‍ය නොවන තරමට සුවය ලබන්න
In the
යනවා.
name of Jesus.
යේසුස් වහන්සේගේ නාමයෙන්.
Keep your hand there.
හalleluya.
Close that ear. So he's not wearing any hearing aids now, right?
කිසිම
It's in your bag.
ශ්‍රවණාධාරකයක්
Take it out. How
නැතිව
much did you spend on this?
100,000 for both years.
200,000 for both ears.
Yeah, clear. Jesus. Yes. Yes. Jesus. Heal me. Jesus. Heal me. Jesus. Heal me. Jesus. Heal me.
hallelujah. Thank you Jesus.
It's very soft.
ඒක තාම හැමින් කතා කළේ.
It is very soft.
තාම මෘදුව කතා කළේ.
Are you happy with how much you're hearing? You can hear and you're laughing. Why are you laughing?
I can hear you because I am happy.
I am happy too. I'm happy too.
Hallelujah.
I'm happy too.
Prophet Jerome, more than just words.